नमस्ते दोस्तों, टुडे we're walking where kings once wrote their destiny. कहानियों की बस्ती में आइए, let's explore together. Wandered under the bustling Chatta Chowk and stood where royal drums once echoed at Naubat Khana. Now we pick up right from there, stepping deeper into this magnificent fort, ready to uncover more secrets of the past. Look around. This is the Diwaniyam, the hall of public audience. Here, the Mughal emperor would sit grandly, hearing out petitions from commoners and nobles alike. Just imagine this courtyard alive with voices, hopes, and royal decrees. It was built in the 1640s by Shah Jahan to show that even a mighty emperor must listen to his people. Notice these elegant red sandstone columns and beautifully scalloped arches. A perfect blend of Hindustani aur Farsi kala. At the far end stood the emperor's marble throne canopy, the Shahi Jharokha, inlaid with gems from across the empire. Legends say it cost more than entire treasuries of small kingdoms. It wasn't just a seat, it was pride carved in stone and jewels. Now, we step into the Rang Mahal, literally palace of colors. This was the luxurious private world of royal ladies, where silk curtains danced, attar filled the air, and laughter echoed off painted walls. Once upon a time, gold leaf shimmered on these walls, mirrors caught every lamp's glow. But after 1857, when the British took over, the gold was stripped, melted, and these lively rooms turned cold, silent, like lifeless quarters. वो शहनाई की धुन, वो महफिलों का रंग, सब खो गया वक्त की गार्ड में. See this narrow marble channel? This was the Nahari Bihisht, the stream of paradise. Cool water from the Yamuna once flowed right here, filling the palace with calm gurgles and keeping it pleasantly cool, a slice of heaven on earth. Step outside and try to picture it. Back then, the Yamuna flowed just behind these walls. Royal women would watch boats drift by, send flowers afloat. Today, the river's almost a kilometer away, replaced by Delhi's roads and rush. So दोस्तों, if these whispers of the past touched your heart, do subscribe to Purvayan Yatra, exploring stories from different eras. ये कहानी अभी खत्म नहीं हुई. पार्ट 3 में हम फिर मिलेंगे नए राज लेकर. Stay tuned.